What's up, fellow Jeepers? Welcome back to Forward Adventures. It's Han once again, and I thought I'll just do a quick Jeep haul that I received over the past few days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and they're just all right behind me. A lot of the stuff was ordered maybe 3 to 5 weeks ago, and everything just starting to trickle in, so I'm pretty happy that it's all come in during Christmas. Presents for me, right? But the first item, this came in actually a little bit earlier, is the Hiked throttle response controller. This is just a controller that goes between your accelerator pedal, and all it does is just gives you a little bit of a boost, a little response back into the throttle. You're not getting any horsepower upgrade or anything like that. It's just giving the Jeep a little more pep in it. That's all. Really, nothing crazy. No extra power, no extra torque, nothing like that. But unfortunately, they sent me the wrong color. Sent me the white version. I ordered the black face version to match the interior of the Jeep. So I gotta wait for them to send the new one, which they already have, and it's actually in Vancouver at customs, and it's being checked before it gets to my hands. So last I saw it, it was stated to arrive on the 24th. So a good couple more days, 4 more days until I get the correct version, and I'll do the install. Basically, it's just a little the controller itself and a little connection that goes between the accelerator pedal, and it's not a hard install, but it's a hard to get to. So it's just right under their steering column, and you got to go under there, and it's a tight space, so it's a little hard to get in. I'll try to get a video or something like that, but yeah, that's gonna be a fun one, trying to get under there. All right. What else is there? There are other features. I think there's like 4 modes. One of the modes is eco mode, I believe. Let me just well, it doesn't say, but there's 4 modes and 36 ways to customize this controller. So looking forward to playing with that over the holidays. The next thing actually is this a fuel cover by Rugged Ridge. Purchased this a while back. Rugged Ridge, the Elite Series fuel cap, aluminum fuel cap with the locking door. So it comes in 2 pieces. Here's a key in here. Mine feels like it's falling apart. My Jeep is 7 years old, but the cap keeps on popping up. You tighten it, and then a couple of days later, it just feels like the whole thing's just gonna pop out. So we decided to replace the whole thing. A little pricey, but I do like the looks of this one versus the other aftermarket ones online, like the ones you can find on Amazon and all that. This one is very solid looking. It doesn't have like all the screws that goes around it. Kind of looks very blingish and all that. Even though it comes with black, I just don't like the ones with the screws. This one's just one whole solid piece. Well, not multiple pieces, but it's just solid. And it looks like it's part. It looks like it came from the factory. So I went with this one. Tad pricey, but it's worth it. Got like 15% off from four wheel parts. So yeah, picked that up yesterday morning down in Burlington, and probably just put that in. It's a quick install. Just pop out the rear driver light, and then you go in, pop the fuel housing, and there you go. Put it back in and done. The next thing, as you can see back here, I don't know if you can see. Where is it? Odyssey batteries. Got 2 boxes here, and you know what that means. Picked up the batteries and the the Genesis dual battery kit from Rock Spider 4x4 on Thursday. Jim ordered that in 4 weeks ago, and it just finally arrived, so I picked it up. Pretty happy with this. Wanted to get this for so long, probably like when it just first came out. I was like, I gotta get this soon, but you know, life got in the way and never got it. So, but now I do, right? So here's this, just a quick unboxing. I already unboxed it, but as you can see, here is the top, the controller, I guess, and then you have your the bay that replaces the stock tray. You get your product guide, instructions. I got some stickers, decals, whatever. Some extra tubing for your evap canister reallocation. Depends on which Jeep. I think that is for the previous version, 2007 to 2012 versions, where you gotta reallocate it. Yeah, so should be a few hours of it for this to get installed. Watched the YouTube installation by Shane, who is the owner. He did quite an intensive install, step by step. So should take a few hours. Hopefully next week sometime I'll get this done. A couple of minor alterations. One is the battery, the screws at the back where the old tray connects to. You got to do some trimming on that so it doesn't interfere with the battery or poke the battery. And then you got to do a cutting on the airbox, the stock airbox. Just a small cut so you retain the three grommets, and that's it. So should be a fun time. Hopefully I'll get that installed next week. And what was it? And the final one is actually on its way. Managed to get a really good deal on the Morimoto Super 7 LED front lights. Again, I've been tracking this for a long time. The first time seeing it, I wanted it, but I never purchased it. Instead, I went with the aftermarket, the knockoffs JW speaker 8700s by Sunpai. They've kept up, not bad, really bright, 40 watts, but they're like so bright, really bright. Unfortunately, the high beam and the regular lights are switched. I can't seem to actually fix those. But yeah, anyways, it doesn't matter anymore because those new lights are coming in. They retail on the actual site, the Morimoto site, 700 plus, depending on how you customize the lights. Because these LEDs, you can customize them with halos, devil's eyes, and all sorts of things. So depending on your setup, it can go up to $1,000. So $1,000 US, right? But my good friend Colin, who managed to find a great deal during the Black Friday weekend, a company called Pro Lights out in Canadian company, and they had their Black Friday deals, 20% off. The lights were going for $600-ish plus 20% off. So all in all, I got them for under $700 Canadian, not the US dollars. So that is coming in. Got my email that's being shipped by Purelator, so I should receive it tomorrow morning. Is it tomorrow? No, Monday morning. Tomorrow is Sunday, so Monday morning should sometime throughout the day should have those new LED headlights, and I'm looking forward to putting those in. So it should be fun time. I can get rid of the knockoffs. They're so bright, but haven't gotten in trouble yet. But I know they're pretty bright. But anyhow, that's it for the upgrades, the parts. And if you guys enjoyed that, please hit a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.